Hey tappers, this is Anna. Welcome to Tap Dance Tutorial at Home, and today I've got for you a quick exercise to work on your rhythm flexibility. So get ready and I'll tell you more about it. Just a few words before we start. Dancers, we count by two measures, so we end up with a count of 8 instead of 2 count of 4. A musician will think 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A dancer will see the big picture, the 2 measures in a time, in once. That's why we count until 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're gonna ask me, why are we doing this and not 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know the official academic reason. I can tell you that it's much easier though to remember routine if you count by 8. To give you an example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's all right with this because it's very short. But if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I know that, for example, I finish on the stamp here on the 8. Don't know if it makes sense for you. I hope so. Leave your comments if you have any questions. And let me show you this exercise now. Very simple, very short. So we're gonna work on a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The only thing that we're going to change is we're going to accentuate the 1 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to accentuate the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. So the idea is then to do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Do it. Try it. Let me know if it's complicated for you. And this, for example, if you do this in a group, in the middle of a routine or something, it looks really cool because you have all the sounds. Like if you have a group of 10 dancers or 15, it's gonna sound very powerful, it's gonna sound very cool. It's very simple, though you need to be very, very comfortable with the beats to do this without any problem. So that's it for today. Try this exercise and let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Hi tappers, and I would like just to mention that we are talking here about a metric, the most common rhythmic in popular music, which is 4 beats per measure. But it's not always the case. You can find music at 3, the waltz, for example, at 3 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In that case, you would maybe be better off counting per 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have to create a routine on this rhythmic, you can also find more complex rhythmics like a 5, 4, a 7, 4, and much more that I'm really far from being a specialist. But I wanted to mention that it's not, even though the 4 is the most common rhythmic, it's not the only one, far from it. All right, that's it.